activated charcoal. Guys, I'm so scared to put this on my face, but anyways, I have to do this, guys. I have to do this for you guys. So just go ahead and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. So today I want to show you guys how I tighten my face using ice and activated charcoal and some egg whites. So for those who don't know me, I am a DIY girl, especially when it comes to my skin. So that is what I use for my skin most of the times. Because let's jump straight into the video. So for my eyes, here it was, but sorry guys, it has already melted. I kind of delayed making the video, but anyways, I'm just showing you guys so that you can get the idea of what you have to use. So ice, this is not ice, this is just cold water, melted ice. It's cold water, but you can use ice cubes. I know most of you have ice cubes. So you just massage basically until the ice melts away in your face. Just like that, you will feel, give it a little bump over. You'll feel your face tighten a bit. Then after that, this is the egg and activated charcoal. Guys, I'm so scared to put this on my face, but anyways, I have to do this, guys. I have to do this for you guys. So just go ahead and like that, guys. You leave it to dry. You leave it on your face until it dries up. But meanwhile that is drying up, I'm going to show you guys how I scrub my lips using honey, coconut oil, or any oil of your choice, and sugar. So this is my mixture that I made for my lips. So yeah, just while this is drying up, just go ahead and scrub my lip. So we're going to leave this dry off for until it dries, like for 2 minutes. Till it dries up, then I'll just rinse it out. I've just rinsed off the mask from my face and I can feel it's so tight. Just buff it up a little bit. So just like that, you go ahead and apply your moisturizer that you use for your face, and voila, you are done tightening your face. You can do this basically every day in your skincare routine, but if you don't have time for all the mess that comes with it, you can just do it maybe once a week or twice a week. You will see a difference in your face. It will tighten your face, I guarantee that. So that is video, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for all my subscribers. Thank you so much for all my returning subscribers, and those who haven't yet subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscription button down below and join the family. We are 500 subscribers and we are growing, guys, so fast. I am so grateful to all the support and love that you guys show. So till next time, bye.